famous hospital built in the US of A next hospital. And been with us since 1930. Also, everybody, this room is Carol Burnett was born in the Zionsville Hospital. And by the way, it's still a hospital to this day. Now, this area right here, though, is the nightlife area. This is where all the clubs and everything goes on till 2 in the morning. 2 in the morning.
Troublemaker.
Now, dealing with this hotel right in front of us, everybody, it's the Hyatt Hotel. Back in 1981, that Hyatt Hotel wanted to be the tallest hotel in the San Antonio area. But see, the Daughters of the Republic said no. Everybody know why? Well, because everybody on the other side of this hotel is the Alamo. And it is said, you cannot cast the shadow upon the Alamo. Why not? In respect of the mentally and guide about the Alamo.
Are you kidding me?
Yes, everybody. You know, when you go to most big cities, you see a bunch of these tall buildings, right? Well, that's what we do. You don't see that here in San Antonio. Now, take a look to my right, everybody. And you're going to see an Art Deco looking building. That right there is known as the Casino Drive building. Back in 1927, this was German and our own private club. And let me tell you, we had lots of fun. Now, everybody, there's shops and restaurants located at the bottom, but above us is an apartment complex that has a 4-year wait list. But everybody, there was a flag up there, known as the state flag of Texas. Everybody, did you know at one point Texas used to be its own country? Yeah, it was called the Republic of Texas. Now, the United States gets together, everybody. They come on Texas, they say, hey, Texas, Texas, we want y'all to become a part of the United States. And Texas said, well, as long as we get to fly our own state flag and fly the American flag, then we'll go ahead and come a part of y'all's United States. So to this day, everybody, Texas, the actual only state that can fly their own state flag is how the American flag. By the way, buddy, that's how they got known as the Lone Star State. Yes, indeed. It commemorates when we were once a country. Now, everybody, we get this area known as River Square. But I call it the waveland. Why? Because you can actually wave to somebody. So everybody, pull your hands out, and everybody, let's wave to the people as we go by. Here we go. Hey guys, how you doing? Come on, everybody. We're gonna wave. Everybody, we're waving to y'all. Look at this guy. He's doing a chop wave. Look at him chopping his wave. Yes, indeed. I have no idea what he's on. Yeah. Everybody, how you doing? Come on, everybody. Let's wave. Everybody, look at my hands. Hey guys, look at this. Everybody, this is unbelievable. We're getting waved to. Yes, indeed. Hey, guys, over here, look, we're on a boat.
We're on a boat.
These people right here, we call these people tourists. Yes, indeed, we call them tourists. Now, take a look to the right, everybody. And above the umbrellas, here to the right, on the corner it says, Robert H. Humphrey, ladies and gentlemen. This is where I have my office. I'm known as the architect and the father of the Riverwalk. If you guys want to know what I look like, my statue's right here, too. I wanted to prove to people that a business could survive here on the Riverwalk. And guess what, everybody? He was right. Why? Because 4 years later, after he moved into there, Casamigos opened up next door. And Casamigos was the first restaurant built here on the Riverwalk since 1946. Meantime, everybody, we got some more people. Let's wave over here. Table 51, table 51, they're waving at you. Table 52, table 52, stop looking at him. Table 56. Table 57. Table 60. Somebody needs to clean table 61. Table 62. Table 63. Ma'am, are you frozen? There we go.
There we go.
Table 64. Table 65. Table 67. Table 69, do you have a taco? Now, as I make this nice little turn, I want to ask you this question, and ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies and gentlemen, so far, boys, you know, the Riverwalk, how many of y'all think this is all natural? How many of y'all think it's all man-made?
Man-made.
Y'all think it's natural and man-made?
Yeah.
Yes, boy, that's the right answer. The area we just left, everybody, was a natural part of the area of the Riverwalk. As a matter of fact, the part where my ancestors come from. This point on through here and back, this is all man-made. Yeah. In 1960 at the Big World Fair, everybody, we had over 5.2 million tourists coming to our city. And ever since then, everybody, it has acted like a virus. Why do I say like that? Well, because, everybody, today's Riverwalk is the #1 tourist attraction in the whole state of Texas. Anybody guess what's number 2?
The Alamo.
Very good. Yes, indeed. It's right down the street. Yeah. Now, as time goes on, everybody, more and more people are not only coming to San Antonio to actually come They're staying. Yeah, it's getting kind of crazy. Why do I say that? Well, because everybody, today San Antonio is now known as the seventh largest city at 2.4 million people. By the year 2020, it's predicted we'll be at 3.1. And I'm predicting I'm going to pay more rent. Now, take a look straight ahead. You see that Marriott Hotel? In 1985, there used to be another hotel that was right there known as the Fairmont Hotel. Now, the Marriott Hotel comes along and says, we're going to knock down that hotel, and we're going to put a beautiful Marriott right there. But can anybody guess who said no? Well, ladies and gentlemen, introducing the Conservation Society. Here's the deal. We came along, and we said, you cannot knock down that hotel, because it's very historical. So they said, let's move it. And guess what? They did. Ladies and gentlemen, they literally got an actual 3-story high hotel that weighed over 16,000 tons. They used pneumatic tires for the hydraulic system and pulled it at the speed of 2.2 miles per hour. It took them approximately 4 days to go from where the Marriott's right there. And they went this way, down Market Street. As they went down Market, made a quick left turn on the first street known as Alamo Street. Now to this day, ladies and gentlemen, if you go a block and a half down Alamo, you will find the Fairmont Hotel. Still there ever since 1985. Now, everybody, I know that sounds pretty amazing, but guess what? That actually happened. As a matter of fact, when you get a chance, ladies and gentlemen, go to YouTube and search Fairmont Hotel 1985, and you can actually see the video of the Fairmont Hotel movie on San Antonio. Pretty cool, huh? Now, take a look to my right, though, and you'll see a tower up in the sky. Now, that tower up there is known as the Tower of the Americas. It stands at 750 feet top of the antenna, 622 feet the bottom of the antenna. It has an observation deck and a revolving restaurant that actually makes a complete spin in 1 hour. And was built there, ladies and gentlemen, for the World's Fair of 1968. Now,
Everybody, when they decided to move a hotel, everybody was looking at us like we were insane. But not San Antonio. Why? Because we're all about authenticity and historical landmarks and keeping them preserved. Because let me tell you, everybody, this hotel was 16,000 tons. So when they decided to move it, the most biggest problem they had to run into was this bridge. Yes. This bridge was built in 68, the hotel was built in 06, and the moving of it was 1985. So, they went old school on this bridge by putting 2x4s to embrace the bridge. Then, they literally got an actual full bottle of wine and placed one right between the rock and the bridge there, and right in the bridge and the rock there. Bridge was missing because they didn't know if this bridge was strong enough to take that hotel. Yeah, take a look over here. Now, you see where that M is at? That's where the Fairmont was at. The Fairmont was right there where that Marriott's at, the one with the M. And as it did, everybody, it traveled and made a right turn at this light. By the way, this other Marriott was already here. And as it did, everybody, it literally went across the bridge at the same speed we're going right now. By the way, later on that day, they had a glass of wine. Now, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Henry B. Gonzalez Convention Center. Built and established in 1968. Mr. Henry B. was known for his work that he did for the city of San Antonio and was the first Hispanic American to enter the U.S. Congress from 1961 to 1990. Now, this area is known as Henry B. Gonzalez, but up ahead, everybody, they're working on some rails. So I'm not going to have to go way over there. So I don't really want to go way that far. Why? Because, everybody, I want to show you a pretty cool trick. I call this the Tokyo Drift. Here we go.
Tokyo Drift.
And good turn, good moment. And I'm using the force right now. Jedi Master. Pretty cool, huh? Nah, guys, I'm not trying to show off. I'm trying to show everybody this. Take a look right in front and you'll see the beautiful mosaic. Yes, indeed, everybody. This is called the confluence of civilization. There are over 440,000 pieces of chips made of 1 inch. All the colors, everybody, were imported from countries from around the world, except for the blue tile. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I've been trying to figure out where we get that blue tile. I'm still looking for it, but don't quote me on this. I just say Home Depot. Now, it's done at 22 feet tall and 133 feet wide. It was done by Mr. Juan O'Gorman from Mexico City and finished by the World's Fair of 1968. By the way, it's above a theater known as the Lala Conco Theater. Miss Lala Conco was the first female mayor of San Antonio. She served 4 terms right here in San Antonio. Now, everybody.
In my tours, like to have a lot of fun. Matter of fact, a lot of kids to know you better and ask you where you're from. So I'm going to start with these two right here.
And ask you where you're from. They're from Canada. They're melting. Give a